This is how it rolls. So there it is, filled with water. My name is Kimm Brown, and part of my business, I have two businesses, and my other business has been a family business where I've learned how to install, work, do everything you can imagine on an in-ground pool. And it doesn't matter what brand it is or who put it in, I have worked on it in my 20-some years. So I am going to take out an old liner and put in a beautiful brand new one for this homeowner. Now, one thing that I learned over my many years of doing this is the homeowner is responsible for removing the water. So 24 to 48 hours before I tell them I'm coming out, I let them know it's time to start draining. And that way, if they've allowed it to get green and slimy or full of leaves, it's their responsibility to get that out. The liner has to be totally empty. It's like when I show up. So you can see he's got a step. He's had a lot of, this is a young couple. They bought this house and had a lot of problems in it. Of course, when they bought it, it was in the winter. And so I'm going to start removing all of this. I cut it into 4-foot sections. And the reason I do that is because I can pull this up. I will do this by myself, but I will cut this in sections. So I will cut that triangle over there, those Grecian corners, and then I'll pull them up and I'll fold them all up. So everything is folded up, and when I get done, it will fit in this little area over here in a 4x4 spot, and then I have a box that the liner comes out of, and I stick all this empty liner, yucky liner back in. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when I get to it. He's done his job. He's left me some slime. Yay. So after the liner is removed, then we go ahead and we paint all the coping. This is what it looks like without. See the gray color? Of course, we're going to clean that nasty step, but we paint the coping. See how we've got the walls already primed on the rust spots? This one here is really bad. I'm actually going to grind it down a little bit. So we kind of stopped because we need the coping painted so it will dry. But we're down to there.